Hello, welcome back to another easy SQL question on HackerRank. We're going to see the solution to weather observation station 9. Query the list of city names from a station table that do not start with vowel letters. Your result cannot contain duplicates. In the previous videos, we saw how to filter the city names that start with a vowel letter. We selected the unique city names from a station table, and we extracted the first letter of each city name, changed it to lowercase, and we checked if this first letter is in any of these list of lowercase vowels. So if this first letter matches any of these letters, it will return true and include it in our result set. But in this case, we don't want to include these results. We can use the not logical operator. Basically, this not is going to negate the result of this condition. If this condition returns true, the not will negate that. So basically, it will include all the city names that does not start with a vowel letter. Let's run the code and let's submit it. Yeah, it passes the test cases.